What's up, folks? So, doing another video on vendor reviews, and this one is on Paslode. So most of the guys in my area, the framers, use a Hitachi nail gun, framing gun anyway. I had used a Paslode from somebody, I don't remember, on a job site before I even started business, and loved it, and had heard nothing but good things about them. So my first Paslode, this isn't it, but it was exactly like this. It's their Paslode framing nailer, and I bought it at a pawn shop. And the only problem was dirt doggers had built a nest inside the fitting right here. So I bought it, got it to the shop, tried to use it, and this was full of dirt. Cleaned it up, worked like a champ. Used it for probably 7 years. I bought this one brand new about 4 years ago. The other one would probably still work. It just needs, the guts inside of it need to be rebuilt. But I love it. I have used this all the time. I have never had a problem with it misfiring. I've framed all kinds of stuff with it. Granted, I don't frame houses for a living, but remodels and stuff, this gun works excellent. One thing I will say about it, do not over oil it. If you put too much oil in it, it will get to where it misfires. I have found that the roofing coil nailers are worse about that than Paslodes, but I have had to take these 4 bolts off before and wipe the inside of it out because it got too much oil. That is the only time I've had issues with it, but excellent gun. And they still make this, I believe. It's a F350S, I believe. Maybe it's a T350S. Excellent. It's just their standard framing nailer. Then I bought this stapler. This is excellent for doing putting decking on houses really quick. You just hold the trigger down as fast as you hit it, it's shooting a staple in. And these are 2.5-inch staples. I bought the gun on Amazon. It's a S200 S16. Shoots 16 gauge utility staples. So putting any kind of OSB up, this thing works excellent. The only thing I don't like about it is there's only one store that carries the staples for this gun. Luckily they are open. They've got pretty good hours, so they're not one that's only open 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. But this works excellent. And like I said, if you're doing any kind of OSB, putting decking on, that gun is the one to have. Because with these, you've got to pull up off the trigger and keep going. You can take the safety off these and make them work, but by default, this gun is just wired that way. As soon as, just as long as you hold the trigger down, it's ready. As soon as you hit it, it's pushing it in. So, excellent gun. The other one I got on Craigslist, I believe. This is a Paslode cordless framing nailer. And unfortunately, this is the first purchase. So, this is the one that had the problem with the batteries, and I still have that issue. I bought several tanks of gas for it, and now I understand why I got such a good deal on it. The issue is the battery will not stay in. So if you could figure out a way to make sure that this pushed down and it hit the contacts inside there, it would work. And I thought about putting a strap across here. It's just kind of a pain because you've got to hold down on it and press the trigger and get the safety all going at the same time. So I've used it maybe twice. I don't know why I still have it. It sits in my garage in a corner and I don't ever use it. They have fixed that with the newer version with these older style batteries. Just work that way. And I've looked at getting a cordless framing nailer. I'm looking pretty hard at the DeWalt version because you don't have to buy the air cartridges. Everybody says that the Paslode framing nailer, their new version, is just off the charts the best. But it's just more expense to have to buy the gas. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think of Paslode. Like I said, I've only got these 3 guns, and there's only 2 of them that I actively use. But I've been thoroughly impressed with them. They are made by ITW, Illinois Tool Works. Started in 1935. And Paslode stands for Packing, Shipping, Loading Devices. So, didn't know that. That's what Paslode stands for. So let me know what your thoughts are on Paslode. Like I said, I have not bought anything from other than that older tool that hasn't thoroughly impressed me. So.